How does one fight addiction according to the Hindu Shastras? So, if you go into the Shastras, we have a term called Sankalpa. So, the first stage is Sankalpa, which means thought or deep thought. First of all, acknowledge that you have got an addiction or you've got a problem that is causing negative problems in your life. A lot of us live in this delusional idea that whatever addictions that we have, they're actually not addictions and we are in full control over those actions. The three examples we can use here is alcohol, drugs, and the physical company of the opposite sex. So when it comes to alcohol, a lot of people feel like in social environments, they cannot feel themselves unless they take something, alcohol in this case, to make them feel lighter and not to get so caught up in their head. The second one is the company of people. Now, a lot of us struggle with being alone. Loneliness and being alone are two different things. Loneliness comes from the idea that when you're alone, you are not able to let the mind relax. When the mind cannot relax and the thoughts start going crazy, you feel like you need the company of someone else to either distance yourself from those thoughts or to feel like you're distracting yourself. Whilst we're on the topic of this, who is the true enjoyer? Who is really in control? Is it the alcohol that's controlling you, or is it you that's controlling the alcohol? And I want you to really think about this. When we're in situations where we're taking something on a regular basis, whether it's alcohol or whether it's chocolate or something that you're finding that you're doing it regularly, stop for a second and ask the question, am I in control of the substance or is the substance in control of me? And what you'll find in most situations is that the substance is controlling us. So we're a slave to our sense gratification. Sometimes you have to ask the question that why am I surrounding myself with a particular group of people, especially if they are impacting me in a negative way. Positive way is completely different. If people are benefiting you, are benefiting your character, and are supporting you in a positive way, making you a better person, then by all means, right, surround yourself with those people. But most of the time, whether it's through friend circles that we've kept from a young age, or whether it's through work colleagues, we put ourselves in situations that normally we wouldn't allow ourselves to go into those situations. So if you're someone that started off not drinking alcohol, all of a sudden you're in social bars, you're in parties, and now you are taking something that originally you weren't doing. So what has started that? Is it the feeling of, again, being alone? Am I comfortable being alone? Am I comfortable being the person I am? There are times where we are doing things that we think are right for us, or we feel like we're doing it because someone's told us to do it. And all of a sudden, we're feeling that we're questioning our actions because we want to fit in with the new crowd that we're with.